Hi guys, welcome back to Pypro versus YouTube channel where curiosity meets the code. Today we'll be discussing about unlocking all the AI with Python applications and insights. So we'll see what to use with Python to, which will be a byproduct, which will be application of that particular combination. So starting with the firstly we have Python plus artificial intelligence. Now, what is Python? As we all know, Python is a very popular language used for AI, for coding, which is really used well because of its simplicity. So, libraries available. And what is AI? AI is a system that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision making, and language translation. Now, if we combine these two, what are the applications we're going to get? We are going to get autonomous vehicles, recommendation system. Recommendation system, it's like it'll give you, suppose if you go on a shopping app, it will be recommended products for you. The system is also using Python plus AI. And we have fraud detection, personal assistance, and predictive maintenance. Moving on, we have Python plus machine learning. Now, what is machine learning? Machine learning is a part of AI that focuses on development of algorithm that allows computers to learn and make predictions based on data. And we have Python offers on variables libraries like scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch that facilitates the ML development. What are the application in these two combination? First one is spam detection in emails, image and speech recognition, predictive analysis, customer segmentation, and credit scoring. Moving on, we have Python plus deep learning. Now, deep learning is a subset of ML that uses neural networks with many layers. So it has multiple layers so that it can predict accurately. And we have Python libraries such as TensorFlow, Keras. PyTorch is widely used for developing and training deep learning models. Now, what are the applications with these two combination, which includes image classification, NLP, which we'll talk about later, and we have generative models, autonomous driving technology, healthcare diagnosis like detecting a disease by its images, etc. And fourthly, we have Python plus computer vision. Now, what is computer vision? It involves enabling computers to interpret and make decisions based on the visual data from the world. Now, usually when you give data, if you are wanting to use images to make the computer understand a various pattern, we use CV. And Python with libraries like the OpenCV, scikit-image, TensorFlow is extremely used in CV applications. And what are the applications in these two combinations? We have face recognition system, augmented reality, object detection and tracking. We have medical image analysis and again autonomous vehicles. Moving on, we have Python plus NLP, which was NLP was a byproduct of Python plus ML. So, more deeply, natural language processing is a field of AI that focuses on interaction between computers and humans through natural language. Python with libraries such as NLTK, Spacey, Transformers is highly effective for NLP tasks. Applications for this is sentiment analysis, chatbots, virtual assistants, language translation, speech recognition, and text summarization. So, any program or a task that involves the communication between a human and a computer, we use natural language processing. Moving on, we have Python plus data science. Now, data science involves using specific scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract the knowledge and insights from a structured or an unstructured data. Pythons with libraries like Pandas, NumPy, Matplot, and SciPy is leading language in data science. What data science? It's like a overall. It involves AI, DL, ML, everything. Now, applications of these two combination includes data analysis and visualization, predictive modeling, market-based basket analysis, time series forecasting, and customer lifetime value prediction. Moving on, we have Python plus big data. Now, what is big data? Big data refers to extremely large data sets that may be analyzed computationally to relieve patterns, trends, associations. Python with libraries such as like PySpark, Dask, and Hadoop integrations is powerful tool for handling the big data. Now, so to identify any kind of pattern in the given data, we use big data. And what is the applications of these two? We have real-time analytic and processing, customer behavior analysis, fraud detection in financial services, and we have network and IT monitoring, health data analysis for public health insights. Moving on, we have Python plus IoT, which is Internet of Things. What is Internet of Things? Internet of Things involves extending internet connectivity beyond standard devices like computer and smartphones to any range of traditional dumb or non-internet enabled physical devices. Python is often used to IoT for scripting and automating. So if you want to connect one device with another, the connection of the entire gadgets to one thing is called Internet of Things. If we combine Python with that, what are the applications that we will be getting? We have smart home devices, which we can control everything with a button on our smartphone. Industrial IoT for predictive maintenance. For maintenance, we can use in the industrial methods. We have healthcare monitoring system, connected cars, and we have environmental monitoring, which is weather stations, air quality sensors, and etc. Moving on, we have this robotics. So, Python is widely used in robotics for control of the systems, sensors integration, and AI functionalities due to its readability and extensive support libraries such as ROS, which is Robot Operating System, and OpenCV. What are the applications which uses these both? It is autonomous drones and robots, industrial automation robots, robotic process automation, which is RPA. We have medical robots for surgeries, educational robots for teaching, programming, and robotics. Moving on, we have Python plus blockchain. So, blockchain is a system of recording information in a way that makes it difficult or impossible to change or hack or cheat the system. So, any kind of system which is formed, which will be a blockchain because no one can hack or change or cheat the system. Python can be used to create a blockchain based application and smart contract using libraries like web3.py and Ethereum. What are the applications here? We have cryptocurrencies, which includes Bitcoins and Ethereum. We have supply chain tracking, secure voting system, and decentralized applications, and we have smart contracts. Moving on, we have Python plus bioinformatics. Bioinformatics combines biology, computer science, and information technology to store, retrieve, and analyze the biological data. Again, Python with libraries such as BioPython is commonly used for bioinformation research. What are the applications used here? We have genome sequence, protein structure prediction, and we have biological data analysis, computational drug discovery, phenologic genetical analysis. Moving on, we have Python plus FinTech, which is financial technology. FinTech involves using technology to improve and automate the delivery and the use of the financial services. Python popular in FinTech for its compatibility in data analysis, machine learning, and automation. So we all know we want the financial services to be automated and improved day by day, which is happening currently. And what are the applications here? We have algorithmic trading, where the algorithm predicts which is the best trading opportunity for you to invest on, etc. And we have risk management and assessment. We have personal finance management apps. We have payments gateway and fraud detection, which includes PhonePe, Google Pay, which we use on our daily basis, and we have investment analysis tool. Again, this is similar to algorithm trading. Moving on, we have Python plus cyber security. Now, cyber security involves protecting the systems, networks, and programs from digital attacks. So it is like protecting. It's a system where nobody can hack because especially our financial data is very important, so that nobody else is known because they can easily hack and get the money from us. So that is considered as a cyber crime. So to prevent that, we have cyber security. So Python is used for scripting, automation, and creating security tools and applications. What are the application in these two? Combination is instructive detection systems, malware analysis, security scanning and auditing, sorry, and we have network traffic analysis and automated penetration testing. Moving on, we have Python plus web development. So, as we know, Python is widely used for web development with frameworks such as Django, Flask, Pyramid. It allows for creation and scalable of a secure web application. So what are the applications here? We have e-commerce platforms which includes Amazon, Flipkart, etc. And we have content management system, social media networks, web-based dashboards and analytics tools, and we have RESTful APIs and microservices. Plus gaming. So Python is used in game development for scripting, game logic, and prototyping due to its simplicity and readability. Libraries like PyGame, Panda 3D are commonly used. So usually they use it only for scripting the game logic, and we have the application in these two combination, which is 2D to 3D game development, and we have game prototyping, AI for game behavior, educational games, and we have interactive storytelling platforms. Moving on, we have Python plus edge computing. So edge computing involves the processing data closer to where it generated, which is at the end of the network rather than in a centralized data processing warehouse. Python can be used to create application and process that run onto edge devices. What are the application using these two combination? We have real-time data processing in IoT devices, and we have autonomous vehicles for local decision making, and we have industrial automation for predictive maintenance, smart cameras for security systems, and we have remote health monitoring systems. Moving on, we have Python plus quantum computing. Now, what is quantum computing? It utilizes quantum mechanics to perform computational far more efficient for certain tasks than classical computers. So, some tasks which prefer quantum mechanics to use as a technique to get a certain task completed, we use Python plus quantum computing. Python is used for quantum computing research with libraries such as Qiskit and Cirq. Applications, we have quantum cryptography, simulation and quantum systems, optimization problem in logistics, financial modeling and drug discovery, and molecular modeling. We have Python plus scientific computing. Scientific computing, it involves the computational network methods and the simulation to solve scientific and engineering problems. Python with libraries such as SciPy, NumPy, Matplotlib is extensively used for this purpose. What are the applications? We have numerical simulations in physics and engineering. We have data analysis in astronomy. We have computational chemistry and biology, climate modeling, and weather prediction. We have material science research. Moving on, we have Python plus AR or VR. So, augmented reality and virtual reality. We have augmented and virtual reality, which involves creating immersive experience by augmenting the real data world with virtual elements or creating entirely virtual elements. Python can be used for developing AR or VR applications, especially in conjunction with the game engines like Unity and Unreal Engine. So now we are aware of virtual reality, how it goes. I want you guys to go and Google about augmented reality. It's a really interesting topic. Now, what is the applications used with these two combination? We have virtual reality games, augmented reality applications for education. We have virtual tools and simulations, training simulations for various industry, and enhanced user experiences in retail and e-commerce. Moving on, we have Python plus GIS, which is a geographic information system. GIS involves the analysis and visualization of geographical data. Python is widely used in GIS for data manipulation, analysis, and visualization with libraries like GeoPanda, Shapely, and Polygon. So it's basically regarding all the geographic aspects of the system. And we have applications used with Python. We have mapping and spatial data analysis, urban planning and infrastructure management. We have environmental monitoring and conservation, disaster management and response planning, and we have transportation and logistic optimization. Moving on, we have Python plus healthcare. Now we know what is healthcare. Python is used extensively in healthcare for data analysis, machine learning models, and automation of administrative tasks. Libraries like Pandas, scikit-learn, TensorFlow are very common. Applications, what are the things that are used in healthcare, which is combined with Python? We have predictive analytics for patient outcomes. We have medical image analysis, electronic health records management, personalized medicine and treatment plans, health monitoring, and wearable devices. In education technology, which uses Python to make our life simpler, which is EdTech, which is very trending field right now, involves the use of technology to facilitate learning and improve the educational outcomes. Python is used to develop educational tools, platforms, and data analysis for educational researchers. The applications which include interactive learning platform, educational games and simulations, student performance analytics, personalized learning and adaptive learning systems, and we have virtual classrooms and collaboration tools. Moving on, we have Python plus digital humanities. Now, digital humanities is a interdisciplinary field that applies computational tools and methods to humanize the subjects, which is like I'll give you an example. Python is used for text analysis, data visualization, and digital archiving. So, applications such as text mining and analysis for historical documents, digital archiving, and preservation, visual of cultural data, linguistic analysis, and we have interactive exhibits and educational tools. Moving on, we have Python's plus renewable energy. Python is used in renewable energy sector for data analysis, simulation and optimization of energy systems. Libraries like Pandas, NumPy and various optimization library are very common. And we have applications such as solar energy prediction and optimization, energy data analysis, smart grid management, energy consumption forecasting, and we have optimization of renewable energy source integrations. Moving on, we have Python plus social media analysis. Now, we'll take an example of Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. So Python is widely used for analysis social media data to understand trends, sentiments, and user behavior. Libraries like Tweepy, Beautiful Soup, and text analysis libraries are commonly used. And applications again include sentiment analysis of social media posts, trend analysis, and topic modeling, social network analysis, customer feedback, engagement details, brand monitoring, and management. So all the things that is happening in, if you go have a public account in any social media platform, you'll have overall performance of your profile, what are the trends going on, everything is displayed here. Thank you so much for watching. If you have learned something from this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And there'll be a part 2 which is a continuation of this. Thank you.